This is Levi committing suicide.
Oh.
It didn't work this time, but just wait.
Oh, God. Oh.
Just wait.
Oh.
Nice. Nice.